How to add and promote your social media pages in your YouTube channel. So let's see in this video. In YouTube Studio dashboard, first click Customization tab. And next, in the right side of the channel customization page, scroll down to Links section. Here, you can add all your social media network links that you want to promote in your YouTube channel, like your Facebook page, your X network page, formerly the Twitter page, or your Instagram profile or business page. In the first field, add the title of the social media network. And in the second field, add the social media network page link. You can add the social media links, one below the other, by clicking the Add Link button. And finally, when you are done adding and connecting all your social media pages, you need to click the Publish button here. And done. To confirm the social media links are added, you need to go to YouTube channel main page. And here, you can see all the social media links I have added in my YouTube channel.
And I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to get updates on new videos like this.